Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to drill and tap the handle hole in the Toolpost camshaft. So this is what our blueprint looks like. This is the camshaft. We've already got it lined up in a V-block. We went to the surface plate, we rotated it to get 14 thousandths below. We had it set, locked down, and now it's in a V-block, and we're going to set it at 15 degrees to drill and tap that hole. Now we've done a little bit of math for you, so this may help you out. So if we look at this print here, we can see our part is setting at this angle here. So we're going to touch our edge finder off to the bottom corner, minus half the edge finder, move it over 456 thousandths, then the center of the spindle will be here. Then we're going to move it over half of the 621, and that'll put us the center of the spindle right where we're going to drill and tap that hole. Okay, so you may want to write these numbers down so you don't forget them. It's very important. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Now we want to make sure we have a 1/2 inch tip, because if we use the edge finder with the smaller tip, the shank of the edge finder will hit before the tip does. So make sure you have an edge finder with a .500 tip. Now we're just going to touch off right here. Like that, it just touched off. Now we'll zero out the digital readout. Now we need to move it over half of the tip. So the tip, remember, is .500. We want to move it over 250 thousandths. So we're going to move 250 thousandths to take care of half the edge finder. Now we want to move it over, remember, write these numbers down. We want to move it over 456 thousandths. Right, there we go. Now we'll zero it out again. Now the center of the spindle is right at this corner. So now we're going to move it over half of the 621. So let's go 310 thousandths more. 310 thousandths, and if we want to be real precise, we'll go with that half of it out at the end. So once we're at this point, we're right where we want to be to drill and tap that handle hole. So again, make sure you write these numbers down. We're going to touch off the edge finder at the bottom. We'll minus half the edge finder, move it over the 456, then we'll move it over half of the 621, and we'll be right dead center of this flat. So as always, if you have questions, contact Rob or me, and we'll help you out as much as we can.